You see, the chairman House Committee then on housing, Honorable Abubakar Abdaba, noted that the first thing that should be done is to look at the National Building Code and enact the legislation that will describe very serious punishment for the mortals who put up building structures without making use of conventional. And he promised to facilitate the passage of this bill. Up to now, nothing like that. Up to now, this is 9 years after. Nothing like that. They only tell us something the audience would like to listen to. Then again, another one, the Australian Organization of Nigeria, Dr. John Ikeja also gave a shout that only acceptable high quality building materials, either locally produced or imported, gets to the market. You see, we are all getting to the market. Is it so? Yes. Even though the common fire institution, our fire institution that we give to people, to industries, they are not certified fire institution. They are just China-made, and we have started organization of Nigeria. Nobody knows the source of this thing. And if you go to John Oates at Oregon, you cannot purchase the fire institution, and the industry will never listen to you. Because when you tell them to come and purchase one standardized fire institution for 100,000, you see waiting. When we have one that fire service supply for us to 20,000. That's the level we are. A lot of things, yes, that's the level we are. Nobody regulates how fire institution comes to this country. Everybody just, in fact, if you go to Oregon, you will see how they give a lot of things and started debating. Some of them, the fire institution are supposed to be in 5 years in service. 5 years in service. And go for static testing. But only BOC, the one I told you, I like them very much. When you take an expired fire institution, then they will not take it out. And again, Elon was still deployed in some part of Lagos State, which has been banned. Was still deployed. In fact, when I see where it's being deployed, I told the man that what you put there is not enough. Because where do you recharge it? No, where do you recharge it? Because even though the quantity required by NCA for aircraft very small, and it's under control environment, but deployed in a supermarket in Lagos State. I made a lot of effort to make sure that fire institution was withdrawn from service. I came to the fire service during the former director and Mr. Sonwoso. We were able to ask the person, where do you refill this? So which means we are deceiving the people who are selling this food. Because it's not what you claim to be that you are supplying. And it was painted in green. I said, show me where this fire institution that was painted in green is allowed to be used in supermarket. Because when you use Ceylon, it will remove the oxygen. It's only allowed in the aircraft. And it was 2015 they brought another alternatives because it affects the original Elon, since so far affect ozone layer. Let us move forward. And again, industry expert at that in 2010 also proposed solution among which are the need for the federal government to enact national building code. Then put in place the construction industry commission, training and retraining of building practitioners and strict adherence to quality building materials according to specification. Are this in place now, 9 years after, and we are here today talking about a safer future of building collapse? It's because it's the main issue. It's the main issue that is affecting us now. And a lot of buildings are going to be collapsed. We are not, because we have not put any measures in place at all to stop it. Because you want to stop it, by the time you do the integrity test of some of the buildings in Lagos, you see that about 80% or let's say 40% will not pass that test. And there will be shots everywhere. That's why we want people to say, please let's start. Look at it again from those smart. We have come up with a new code because government is aware of the fact that most death and injury caused during building collapse are a result of unacceptable waste of building. You can find out that in most cases, safety measures, they continue to measure safety measures. No physical action that actually should be mean what you are saying. And not considered the erecting of the free structure. That was fashioned in 13th of June 2018. Up till now, that new national code is not available. You can't have access to it. The one we are still using is the one of 2006, which was signed by the NICO in 2007. You understand? international environment, this when we go to international environment, this is what they will continue to tell us, to tell the people and the people. But we know, the moment you go, you will not say anything like that. Yes, I don't know whether you are hiding it.